Ayan guys, nandito ako sa kon. Kasama ko si Lola. Wanna say hello, Happy New Year?
Hello, Happy New Year. Who is it?
Me.
Oh, it's you. Hi. Hello, Frozen. Happy New Year, Frozen.
Dito kami nagkakape. Sa Vinci. Vinci Cafe. Mga tinda nila dito ay mga chocolate at saka mga ice cream. At saka may coffee din sa loob. Nagkakape kami, nandito kami sa labas. Nakaupo. Pagagaling na namin nag-lunch. Yan yung Vinci sa likod ko. Si Lola. Yan yung kape. Yan yung kape. Ang in-order ko ay cappuccino. Yan. Medyo malamig. Yan. Yan. Yan yung harap namin guys. Yan. Yan ang harap namin. May kapehan din doon, no, yung Olianstein. Minsan dyan kami nagkakape eh. Dyan sa may Olianstein na yan. Pero doon kami nag-lunch banda. Sa may coffee cup doon. Sa may parang may tolda. Doon kami nag-lunch. Ito yung harap namin. May Sainsbury rin dyan. Dyan ako nagsishopping. Minsan nag-grocery. Yung Sainsbury's local na yan.
Is that your auntie?
Nope. Ayan yung may pharmacy na din dyan. No. May pharmacy na din dyan, oh. Yan. Tsaka yung pool na yun, coffee din. Maraming coffee dito eh. Tsaka may kon din dyan, oh. Yung Gales. Bilan din ng kape. Cafe at tsaka bakery. Yan. Lamig. Kapag may nakita kayong pan na ganyan yan, may malaking ice cream na yan. Ito yung shop Vinci, no? Yan.
Very nice.
Yan yung pinipilahan nila guys, oh. Na crepe. Pinipilahan nila yan.
He's talking Yiddish again.
Yeah. Yan. They are queuing it up for that crepe there.
Actually, they're quite dear, aren't they? £7. Save it.
Tanya, is that?
Who?
Tanya.
Where?
Yeah.
Ah.
She'll be. She will be extra on my
To dock your
video.
wages, you've left.
Billion ng stuff. That's my bus there. That's my bus.
Go on then, run. I'm sure he's a friend of yours. He'll wait for you.
No, it's not.